Hello students, your P1 exam will be started from 26th June. Some of you have problem from chapter number 1 about the question number 16 and 17. So that's why I am going to explain the question number 16 and 17 for you. Question number 16, page number 2. Everyone open your book, page number 2. Write all the possible 3-digit numbers using the digits 7, 3 and 9. Write all the possible 3-digit numbers using the digit 7, 3 and 9. 7, 3 and 9. First, you have to make 3-digit numbers, so that's why you will get 3 places. That's 100 place, tens place and unit or one place. 100 place, tens place and one place. Now put the digit one by one. 7, 3, 9. This one is first number 739. After you interchange the place of 9 and 3. So you will get another number 793. Now you put the 3 in 100 place and after that in tens place 7 and ones place 9. So another number is 379. Put the 3 once again in 100 place, interchange the place of 7 and 9. 397. In one place there is 9, you put the 9 in 100 place and 7 and 3 one by one. So 973 and interchange the place of 7 and 3, 937. So you can make 6 numbers using the digits 7, 3 and 9. Clear? Now next one. Question number 17. In the same way you will make the 3-digit number using the digit 5, 0 and 2. First you put the digit 5, 0 and 2. 5, 0 and 2. So 502. Okay. After that you interchange the place of 0 and 2. 520. Now you put the digit 0 in 100 place. 0, 5, 2. Now you change the place of 5 and 2. 0, 2, 5. Here in 100 place 0 is present and 0 has no value. So that's why these two are 2-digit number. But according to your question you have to make 3-digit number. So you cannot from this one. Clear? So you can from 500 to 520. Now you put the 2 in 100 place. After that 5 and 0, 250. Now we interchange the place of 5 and 0, 205, 205. So another number you can form 205. So you can form 4 numbers using the digit 502 because 2 is in 2 numbers, 0 is present in the 100 place. So that's why 0 has no value. It will be 2-digit number 52 and 25. So you will get 4 numbers using 5, 0 and 2. 502, 520, 250 and 205. Okay. Now addition and subtraction I think all of you have done because you have learned this one in class 2. Here are 2 problem solving. Page number 3. Here are 2 problem solving. 31 and 32. Now I am going to solve this one. 31. In a village there are 1503 men, 1378 women and 112 children. Find the population of the village. When you find the population of the village you have to add the all numbers. The total number of men, total number number of women and total number of children. When you solve the what problem, please write the statement. Otherwise, we will not get full marks. Now, number of men equal 1500, 1503. Number of women 1300, 1378. Number of children equal 112, 112. So you have to find out the population, that's why you have to add. Therefore, the population of the village is, the population of the village is 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry over 1 here, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 1 9, 1 1 2. So therefore the population of the village is 2993. Clear? Now the next one, question number 32. There are 932 students in a school. How many girls are there in the school if the number of boys are 324? So here total number of students already told. Total number of students means girls and boys both. Okay, but here number of boys are 324. So when you find out the number of girls who are present in the school, you have to subtract. Clear? Total number of students. Total number of students 932. Number of boys 324. So how many girls are there? Therefore number of girls, when you find out the result, how many girls are present in the school, you have to subtract, because already total number is stored here. 12, so 2 is lesser than 4, so that's why you borrow 1. It will be 12. After 4 you count up to 12, 8. When you borrow from 1 from 3, so it will be 2. So 2 minus 2, 0. 9 minus 3, 6. Clear? So answer is, how many girls are there in the school? There are, answer is not needed. If you want, you can write down the answer. There are 608 girls in the school. Please student, remember, when you solve the what problem, you have to write the statement. Without statement, you cannot get full marks. So prepare all things at home. Thank you.